What is up, guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Amazon Cube. The Amazon Fire TV? No, the Amazon Fire TV Cube. It's Amazon's latest streaming device. It was just released today. On this channel, if you're finding us for the first time, we break down technology so you have a better idea of what everything does so you can make a better buying decision. If you enjoy videos like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also, don't forget to share your voice in the comments down below. We want to build a community of informed users, and your contributing really helps. Now, let's get started with the unboxing. Definitely not a bad looking box at all. Nice bright colors. This thing can probably stream anything you want. It's going to replace your old cable box. This thing is going to do everything you need. I wonder if it plays well with Google. Amazon and Google have been having that problem recently, but we're going to take a look what's inside the box, as long as I can hold on to the box. All right, let's get inside and see exactly what this thing comes with. Alright, so let's get it open, and you're greeted immediately with the Cube. It's a lot smaller than it looks in pictures and that I thought it would be, but it's a nice, convenient size, I guess. You don't want anything too big and bulky hanging around your television set, so this is definitely something that's going to be compact and fit. Let's see what else is in this box. We have some booklets. We have the Cube remote, and we have some batteries. It's always good when things come with batteries, folks, because batteries make everything work. All right, so let's take a look at the remote first. Let's peel this plastic off really quickly, and it looks like it has a speaker on top, which is cool because then you could talk directly into the remote when you're using the Alexa functions, because this thing does work 100% with Alexa. It's supposed to make everything completely voice activated, so the remote does help. I have some information literature here. Nothing too important that you're going to read at all. Just kind of want to dive into this box and see exactly what is inside waiting for us. All right, so have everything kind of labeled. First thing up is the power brick, and man, is it a brick. It's a huge power brick. I would think it would be a little bit smaller, but all right, so the next thing is going to be an IR blaster. Connect this to your television set to make the Cube control your TV. Next up is going to be an Ethernet extender in case you need to connect an Ethernet cord. This thing is internet enabled, so if your Wi-Fi is not too good, you may need that to kind of get everything up and running. And the star of the show, the Cube itself. Look and see, wow, this thing is really a fingerprint magnet. You can already see some fingerprints on it. All right, so let's take a really closer look at the Cube. On the top, you have some of the navigation buttons, the volume, turning the mic on and off, the mute button as well. You have some, looks like microphones on top for listening to your voice. You have the USB, the infrared, the HDMI, and the power in the back. All right, let's take a look. Buttons are really clickable. On the bottom, you have the speaker, because this thing, again, is Alexa enabled, so you can use it as a standalone speaker. You have the power brick. You can kind of see how big this thing is. It's not huge, it's just looks a little bit inconvenient. Take up a lot of plug space. that's going to do it for our quick unboxing of the Amazon Fire TV Cube. That's a mouthful. We're going to go ahead and connect this up. We'll run it through its paces. We'll give you a couple more videos showing you the interface, showing you how to navigate, and also just giving you a full review on what we think of the device once we get to use it a little bit more. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to share your voice in the comments down below. Your voice definitely matters. Until next time, guys, peace out.